I feel it quite necessary to get this out there to the bigger world, because after day 3 of my training, I had an experience that is, well, I would describe it as a miracle. For the last 3 years, my gums have bled at night, every single night. And if you imagine waking up every morning with the taste of blood and blood on your pillow, I can assure you it's not a nice experience. I have had it checked with the dentist and my doctor, and this is a hereditary condition. There's no danger. It's just very unpleasant to spend your life with this condition. So last night, when brushing teeth, I decided, do you know what? I'm going to tap for these gums for this blood to stop. And I thought, this is a step too far, Andrea. What do you think you're doing? And then, lo and behold, I woke this morning with a white, pristine, clean white pillowcase and no blood in my mouth. And I just don't know what else I can say other than it's a transformation and, okay, a miracle.